Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking to you on how to avoid LinkedIn job scams like this that I'm about to show you. So in this video, you can see a message from one of my students saying I received a mail from them regarding job. So I share my CV and I just received an email from them about the offer, and that I should acknowledge the outline, condition, and benefit shared so they can proceed to the next level. No interview yet, and boom, a mail stating the benefits of the contract. I'm confused. Can you help check if the company is legit, sir? So this is obviously a LinkedIn job scam, and I'm going to dissect the elements of this LinkedIn job scam so that you can protect yourself from scams like this in future. Okay, now, this person sent me this email as this message on my WhatsApp, and also sent the website of the company saying, oh, this is the website of the company. Now, let's start to investigate. And I responded saying, all right, all right. And then the person now sent me the um the response. Okay, after sending her CV, this was the response from the company. Okay, this was the response from the company telling her, oh, 8,500 pounds per month, blah 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 blah. So tell us, do you accept or not? And I can almost see where this is going. And of course, she may be asked to pay some money for filing and all that kind of stuff, and at the end of the day get scammed. But thank goodness that this person reached out to me and I was able to explain that this is all a scam. But in this video, I want to really dissect the elements of this kind of scam so that you can protect yourself from bad actors like this. Okay, and another thing, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can check if your email has been compromised, okay? And what you can do to protect yourself from scams like this, all right? That is why I always advocate that everyone needs a basic knowledge of cybersecurity so that you can protect yourself. It's not only the experts that need this kind of knowledge, all right? So let's quickly go back to the email. As you can see, this is the email. So the first thing is I quickly check the company. I quickly click on the link to verify the company, and yes, this is actually a verified company, right? Wilmot Wilmot Dixon is a verified company, right? So I checked the company, but here is where the problem lies. I asked this lady to send me the email. I told her to forward the email telling her to send her CV. Please forward that email to me. And here is what she sent to me. So just, I don't need to go too far. Just checking the email gave it up that, oh no, this is definitely a scam. Let me show you the actual email she sent to me. And I will explain. So now, this is the email she forwarded to me. And look at, if you look right here, you will see that this is the sender of the email. Captruscott.co.uk at gmail. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but I mean, you get the point. At gmail.com. So this is actually a regular Gmail account. All right, this is a regular Gmail account. And again, why I say that at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your email is compromised so that you can understand what's happening. So a regular Gmail account sent her this initial message saying, dear applicant, recruitment from HR department of Wilmot Dixon Limited. We have reviewed your profile, blah, 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 blah. Now, this is where the whole thing starts. And they're telling her your CV should be sent to us via email. And they sent telling her to send her CV to careerwilmotdixon at consultant.com. This is not the email for the company. This is a fake email, right? This is a fake email. First, a regular Gmail account, which is made to look like a company email, sends her this email telling her to forward her CV. to this other fake email impersonating the company, right? And then she goes ahead to send her CV to this fake email, and then this fake email sent her a letter saying, "Oh, you've been accepted and your salary is £8,500 and blah blah blah. If you are okay with that, respond." And again, if this is someone who is quick to act, will definitely respond, and then they'll start billing you to pay certain monies for fees here and there, and before you know it, you're getting scammed. Now, let's look at this consultants.com and see who they are. So consultants.com. Okay. So again, as you can see, this is consultants.com, which you can see is even not secure, not secure, right? And again, you can do advance and check it, but the email itself is a fraudulent email. As you can see, it's not secure. It doesn't have https, but even at that, some fraudulent emails can still have https. But this is such a lazy job that it gives the scam away, really. This is a very lazy job. Then another thing, um if you search on LinkedIn, so I'm going to just open LinkedIn, you would see that easily some persons have actually complained about this kind of thing, where they received a fraudulent email and the person reached out to the company. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm just going to say this and this and I'll just put scam. And if you look at, I'm going to show you, I saw that post on LinkedIn. Uh, Let me do something like this: job scam. So the person actually reached out to the company. Okay, so you can see scammers impersonating Wilmore Dixon Construction. I'm looking for the actual LinkedIn post I saw. I think this is it. I think this is it. Let me open this one. I think this is it. And this person reached out to the company, and the company made a striking statement saying, "Look, our email, look at this. This the result. This is when I discovered the scam. After sharing the sender's email address on the company chat, they confirmed that all their official emails use this domain. All their official emails use this domain. So the fraudulent email address was slightly different, blah 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 blah, at contractor.net. Again, you can see that this is also contractor.com. If you check the email, let me go back to my email so you can see this. You see? Okay, this is consultant.com, right? And this other one is contractor.net. So again, scammers can, try to hide their real identity using fake emails and whatnot. I believe that this falls under maybe some form of social engineering, and where they're trying to just get money out of you by impersonating a company, a well-known company, making you think that you have a job and all. So have you ever faced this thing and blah blah blah? And you can see people are commenting, and of course this was the final thing which I searched for, and I'm so happy that people actually share their experience so that other people can learn, right? So this person has already reached out to the real company, and the real company has said, no, all our emails end with at wilmotdixon.co.uk. So it's definitely a scam, all right? So that's what I'm saying. And one final thing is that when you keep receiving scam emails like this, it means that your it means that your email has been compromised. right? Your email has been compromised, and there is a website to check if your email has been compromised. Okay, so let me just go back here. So thanks to Paul. Oh, goodness. So thanks to Paul for that. Then the website to check if your email has been compromised. Yeah, so this is the website. Have I been pawned.com. So when you check this website, you can easily search for your email. So I'm going to search for mine now, as you can see. So when I search for my email, I can see how many places my email has been compromised. Can you see that? So as you can see, pawned in four data breaches, right? So this is how you can easily check. Just go to this website, haveibeenpawned.com, and you can check if your email has been compromised. I'll still go ahead to check the email address of the person who sent me this whole thing, so that you can all see what I'm talking about. So let's copy the email address of the person who sent this to me, and let me now check. So let me quickly check for the person's email address here as well, and I'll click on pawned, and then you can see the email has been pawned in one data breach. So the question is, has the website been has the website had any recent case of a data breach? That's what I want to ask. So everyone, you have to be very careful, especially on LinkedIn. We have a lot of scammers trying to impersonate legit companies, so you have to be really careful. All right, so that's it. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.